Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make super easy no glue lotion slime that requires no refrigerator, no glue, and takes less than 5 minutes to make. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of lotion. I'm using this one from Bath & Body Works. You guys will need any type of soap, shaving cream, a bowl or plate to make your slime in, mixing tool. Last but not least, but optional, is food coloring. Alright, I'm going to start out this recipe by getting my soap into my bowl or plate. You don't want a lot of soap for this recipe, so that's why I'm using the rest of this body wash. There we go. Get mixing up the soap a little bit to get it a little bubbly.
This soap is great for slime because it's super thick and it's really fun to
Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my lotion. You're going to want a little bit of lotion into there. Add just about that. I'm going to get mixing this again a little bit, not too much.
You can dissolve the lotion into it.
Okay, that is how much I mixed it. It's not all the way dissolved, but it's good enough. What I'm going to do for the last step is I'm going to get out my shaving cream, add a little bit of shaving cream into here. So you're going to mix it a lot. I'm going to add in the shaving cream and get mixing it around. Oh, also add your food coloring. Sorry, not last step. Part 2 of food coloring. Oh. Look how pretty that blue color is, and just get mixing it and mixing it up. So you just want to get mixing it a lot, mixing it and mixing it and mixing it just like this. If it looks like it's too watery, like this looks a little bit too watery, you can add a little bit more shaving cream, which I'm going to add right now. Go ahead and mix that into there, and it's going to make it thickened up. Like, look at that. That is thickening it up a lot.
So just mix that right on up.
It's still pretty sticky, so you just want to mix it some more. See how this is? It looks like enough mixing. Now I'm going to go in with my hands to mix this. As you can see, it's pretty sticky still, but just get kneading that with your hands. All right, still kneading it with my hands. This is super messy, by the way, so if you want a messy slime recipe, this is perfect right here. And here's how you make no glue lotion slime. You basically just want to knead it a lot, add more shaving cream, and it gets super, super fluffy. Like, look at this right here. It's so pretty. It turned out so great. I'm so happy about this slime recipe. And I love how bright the blue color is. I added a little bit more food coloring as I was mixing with my hands, just because my hands were already messy, so why not add a little bit more blue food coloring, as you can tell by my hands. But this is such a great recipe. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this recipe today. I hope you really liked it. Again, it's just easy steps. You mix all of these ingredients together, knead it on up with the bowl, and then go in with your hands and mix it up some more. And it turns out super, super great. I mean, look at this slime. But yeah, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, in peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and check out all my recent YouTube videos and YouTube shorts. They are all on my page. I upload a YouTube short probably every other day on my YouTube channel. But yeah, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!